this set of problems is all about taking a place value chart, writing the value in standard form, and then writing the value in word form, which can be a little tricky. So remember to use this chart found in your slides to help you spell any words. There's a red line underneath it. It means it's misspelled, so you can just come back over to this slide and look and see how it's spelled. These are really important numbers to know how to spell. Let's begin. So in your text box here, I want you, when you are working on this, to click, and as you are looking at the place value chart, go ahead and write it in standard form. I'm going to write on the place value chart though. So I'm going to be asking myself, how many hundred thousands are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 400,000. So I'm going to put a 4 in the hundred thousands place. Then I'll go to the next place. How many 10,000s are there? There are 6 10,000s. How many thousands are there? There are 3 thousands. How many hundreds are there? There's no hundreds. Don't skip it. You need to write a 0 in the hundred thousands. How many tens are there? There is 1 10. How many ones are there? There are 4 ones. And then our comma always goes between the hundreds and the thousands. So you're going to type this number in standard form. Let's say it together. 463,014. All right, let's continue with word form. The rule for word form is you write it exactly the same way that we say it out loud. So I'm going to be saying this number again and again out loud, and you're going to be writing it down. 463,000. I always stop when I get to 1,000 because that's a good stopping point and I know where I am. I'm at the comma. So let's say that again. 400, let's write that down. 463,000. Then we're going to finish reading the rest of the number. We have no hundreds, so we don't say 0 hundreds. We just skip it and we say 14. And 14 is one word. So let's read that, make sure it's correct. 400, yep, 63,000, 14. That is correct. Go ahead and pause the video and go into your slides and write this down, and then come back and start the video for the next problem that we're going to do together. All right, now we're going to do this again a little bit faster. We're going to figure out the standard form. So remember, for standard form, when we're looking at a place value chart, we ask ourselves, how many are in each place? So let's start in the hundred thousands. How many hundred thousands are there? There is 100,000. How many 10,000s are there? There are 2 10,000s. How many thousands are there? There are 0 thousands. How many hundreds are there? There are 4 hundreds. How many tens are there? There are 3 tens. How many ones are there? There are 3 ones. And our comma, we write after that we've written all of the digits, and it goes between the thousands and the hundreds. So go ahead and let's say this number together. 120,000. So I also like to read all of the thousands place first. So we can see this number is 120, and then we say thousand. 433. Then we read the second part together, 433. Let's write that in our standard form. Remember, if you accidentally delete the text box, you can click the undo button, and that will help the text box come back. The rule for writing in word form is that we must write the word exactly as we say it. So we say all of the thousands together first. So let's read the thousands place. 120, that's that number, 1,000, 120,000. Let's write that. 120, and then we're going to say 1,000. Now we read the rest of the number, 120,000, and this number is 433. 433. 120,433. Great job, guys. Go ahead and write this on the slide in your Google Slides. Then you can finish the 2 independent problems in the slides on your own. Remember, if you need help, you can always go back and consult this slide that has all of the words spelled on it.